Are you suffering from lower back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, muscle pain, sciatic, or any chronic pain? Chronic and acute pain is quite common, affecting millions of people like yourself. Fortunately, there is a way to help you relax and reduce your pain symptoms. TENS unit is the drug-free and highly effective pain relief portable device you can use at home or on the go for your pain management. Easy at Home offers various TENS and EMS models with different features to serve your pain relief or muscle stimulation needs. Model EHE029G is rechargeable with 8 massage types, 16 auto modes, and EMS featured. It offers a LCD backlit display and slips easily into a pocket or purse. TENS pain relief works effectively by blocking pain signals and releasing natural endorphins. EMS stimulates the muscle contraction to help firm and tone the muscle and to help faster recovery. Simply connect electrode pads to leads and opposite ends to the device. Apply self-adhesive pads to troubled areas. Turn on device and let relief begin. Change modes by pressing the M. Pressing the center button down will change between auto modes. To change stimulation time, hold down the center button for 2 seconds. Choose up to an hour of relief. Press the A=B key to switch between channels. Use the plus or minus to change intensity levels. With 20 varying intensity levels, find the stimulation that benefits you. Ready to get back to living your best life? Grab your easy at home TENS now and start feeling instant relief.